Hello friends and welcome back to another travel vlog. Today I am going to share this beautiful hotel Marriott Marquis at Queen's Park, Bangkok, Thailand. It's one of the biggest and really beautiful hotel located near Phrom and it's near the BTS Sky Station. It's a large hotel consisting of two towers, the North Tower and the South Tower. The location is just perfect with everything at your doorstep. This is the outside view of the hotel, and now let us go into the lobby area. As you enter the hotel, you can see that it has been maintained really nicely. You can see lots of plants all around the hotel, and you will also see there's a fountain near the entrance of the hotel. First, let me show you a little bit quickly towards the outside before we enter into the lobby area. You can see that the hotel has a lot of greenery around it and also the fountain which I told you about. So this gives a really nice look to the hotel, because who does not love plants. And now let's go into the lobby area of the hotel. The staff are really warm and welcoming, and they can converse in many languages, which includes English. As you can see, the lobby is very luxurious looking and stunning. There are luggage trolleys on one side, and the lobby is really huge. And because this is a really happening hotel, there are a lot of events happening, so there is always a lot of hustle and bustle all around. And that's the front desk. You can see how beautiful the lobby is. The bright tones and warm lighting create a welcoming ambience. There are beautiful orchids kept here and there which give it a really attractive look. And since this is a very busy hotel, lots of conferences and events happen. So as you can see, there are some conferences also happening at the moment. So as we move around, I am going to show you an area which is called as the tea room. When the main restaurant area is closed, you can enjoy tea, coffee and the food in here. It's a nice cafe and has a lot of varieties of cookies, candies, etc. to choose from. So here you can see there are drinks available. There's a lot of variety to choose from, and there is a nice seating area also where you can enjoy. The ambience is really beautiful. The seating is really comfortable, and you get this awesome view of the hotel from here. Beautiful chandeliers adorn the ceiling, and everything looks so much gorgeous and stunning. The best part which I think about this hotel is the huge amount of space that is there. It is not at all congested. It's like so beautiful, and the lighting is really nice, and it's really comfortable to look at and to enjoy. And over here you would find a really huge wooden desk. This is the area where you can sit and enjoy some food, and this one is the long wooden desk kind of thing with beautiful orchids kept here and there which add elegance to the rooms, and these beautiful lightings all around which definitely add to the ambience of the hotel. As I show you around the hotel, let me tell you a little bit more about it. It's a perfect place for business trips and vacations. It provides full meeting and conference facilities. There is free on-site parking and free Wi-Fi access in all areas of the hotel. You can see the flooring is also so beautiful. And now let me take you to the tour of the hotel room. So it's a really nice and neat and clean hotel, and this is the room. But before I show you around the room, let me first take you to the balcony and show you the view outside. This is the basic room, and you can see a touch of Thai culture over here. And this is the view from the balcony. It's just stunning. It's the Bangkok skyline, and this looks really amazing at night, which I'm going to put the clip towards the end of the video. So this is the view during the daytime, and the room is quite large, and it has all the basic amenities which are needed. There is a huge flat screen TV to enjoy when you are relaxing inside, and there are cupboards, there are hangers, and all the basic facilities which every hotel has. The beds are really nice king-sized beds and comfortable to sleep in. Now coming to the washroom, as you can see, it's really big and has big mirrors also, and pretty much neat and clean with all the basic facilities which you might need. So it's really nice. And now let me show you the night view from the hotel. The night view is just amazing. As you can see, the Bangkok skyline, when it lights up, all the buildings when they light up, it looks so much amazing. So this is the tower of the hotel at night. This is also looking like so awesome. And all in all, the ambience at night is also totally different from day. It is so much like relaxing, and you can just revitalize your body and mind. Just enjoy a drink or two, chat with your friends sitting around. So it is really a very good experience if you have the opportunity, and if you go and visit Bangkok, then this hotel Marriott Marquis is a really good hotel with really good service, and you can have an amazing time over here. The night view looks very much peaceful and tranquil, and the hotel has really good swimming pools and other facilities also, so you can really have a good time over here. Now let me just show you the night view again before I take you to the food area, because this hotel serves really good international cuisines. And over here I'm going to show you some of the Indian food which was being served, because there was an Indian conference going on. So this is the food area, some salads and soups initially, some dips and bread. So you can see over here. And for the people who love to eat Indian curry, you can see Indian food is also available. As we move on, there's rice, there's naan or roti, and this looks like paneer and curd rice, jeera rice, and different varieties of vegetables, papad also, and some chutneys, dals and dips. So a huge variety of food options are also available. And all in all, if you are a fruit lover, you can also get dragon fruits and passion fruits. So there is everything for everyone. Mouth-watering food all around. And also there is this huge dining area where you can take your plate and sit down and enjoy the company of your friends or colleagues. So this is like a really huge dining space over here. So this is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.